As the use of backing tracks in worship has risen in popularity, many worship ministries are faced with a challenge. How do you build up a song library of tracks for your worship band without spending hundreds or thousands of dollars per year? In this video, I'm going to share helpful tips for building a library of tracks for worship without breaking the bank. My name is Jake Goslin with churchfront.com, an online resource for innovative and creative church leaders. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive all of our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your church. Make sure you check out the show notes in the description below for quick links to related videos and free resources for your worship ministry. Question of the day: how have you saved money building up your library of backing tracks for worship? Let me know below in the comments. Chances are your worship ministry does not have the budget to purchase the complete multi-track stems for individual songs that can cost from $25 to $35 a piece. That can add up really fast. Here are a few alternatives for building up a backing tracks library for your worship band without blowing your entire ministry's budget. The first way to save money is to use Ambient Pads as your backing tracks. This technique allows you to build backing track sessions for $0. In the show notes, I've shared links to free Ambient Pads and free guide cues. Using the pads, guide cues, and Ableton Live's built-in metronome, you have the foundational necessities for building song sessions in Ableton Live for $0. The pads may not sound quite as full as the master tracks, but by learning how to build song sessions with them in Ableton Live, you'll also be able to use other advanced features in Ableton, such as lyrics and lighting automation, without needing to purchase the full multi-tracks. The second method is to purchase CustomMix tracks from MultiTracks.com. Using CustomMix, you can have the same sound as the full master tracks for only $12 per song. The trade-off is that you only have one chance to produce a mix that will work for your band using the CustomMix interface on the MultiTracks.com website. I have used CustomMix tracks multiple times when my budget did not allow buying the full MultiTracks session. The third method to save some money on tracks is to use community tracks at loopcommunity.com. The community tracks are produced by music producers and worship leaders who have the time, resources, and expertise to create their own tracks and then sell them on loopcommunity.com's platform. These tracks cost around $20, so they're a little bit cheaper than full master tracks, and they may even have a more preferable sound. The fourth way to save money is to produce your own backing tracks. If you have experience recording your own music and you have the time to produce your own tracks, then this may be a great route for you. You could even sell the tracks with loopcommunity.com and make some money on the side. And then the fifth way to save money is to take advantage of the bundles of credits that you can purchase at loopcommunity or multitracks.com. Purchasing these bundles of credits will cost hundreds of dollars up front, but over the long run, if you know you are going to build a pretty big library of tracks, it's going to save you money. There are a variety of ways to save money as you build up your library of multi-tracks for your worship band. Maybe in the short term, you need to just use Ambient Pads for most of your songs. And let's say you're building all your multi-track sessions in Ableton Live. Well, as you acquire the funds to purchase the full multi-tracks down the road, you can easily add those full multi-track stems to your Ableton Live sessions that previously only contained a single Ambient Pads track. Ableton Live is my #1 recommended software for running a click and tracks and automating production in worship. If you want to get started with Ableton Live in your worship ministry, download my Lead Worship with Ableton toolkit. It'll help you find all the gear and software you need to use Ableton Live to its fullest potential for your worship ministry. Let me know below in the comments how you save money building up your backing track stems for your worship ministry. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button and share this video with your other friends in ministry. You can check out some related videos by clicking right over here. Subscribe to the Churchfront channel, hit the notification bell so you can receive all of our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your church.